I'm going to put a couple pictures and videos of Phase 3 at Tulsa Welding School into a video. Phase 3 at Tulsa Welding School is MIG and Fluxcore, so I hope you guys enjoy these. Here's a little clip I thought was kind of interesting. Tulsa Welding School offers a pipe fitting program, and they have a little section of the shop kind of devoted to pipe fitting. So I shot this little clip of what they had been working on. It was some threaded pipe with some other fittings, so I'll let you. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed some of these videos I put together. I'm getting school's just flying by right now. I'm in the I'll be starting the second week of Phase 4 next Monday, so I mean it's flying by. I'm almost halfway done with school. The 7 months are just flying by, So I'm ready to get out, and I've got some career opportunities I'm looking at right now and in the middle of applying for. So we're gonna see how everything turns out, and I'll keep you guys updated. So like, comment, and subscribe. Watch my other videos if you're thinking about going to Tulsa, and hopefully they'll help you make a decision and learn about what all Tulsa does. So thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.